What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here with MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. And today I'm bringing you this new arrival 1969 Pontiac GTO 400 engine, tubular control arm, 750 Edelbrock carburetor, 4-barrel headers. This car sounds great, drives great, and is a blast. It's got Judge decals on it. What a great car. Hideaway headlights, of course. Interior, really nice. Retro sound radio. Custom bucket seats, really comfortable. Floor shift. There's the hood tack. Car just sounds great. Tilt wheel, of course. Horn works. Everything was really done. This car was restored and they did a great job. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the trunk before we wrap this up. Nice chrome wheels. Here's your trunk. Everything was done back here, redone. It was done well. Got a few bucks. GTO book. How to restore book. Kind of a board showing the car. Highlights. Frame off restoration. Turbo 400 transmission, 9-inch rear end. As you can see under there, dual exhaust, 9-inch rear end with Positraction. Pro car seats. Like I said, whoever did this car did a great job. Gonna go ahead and close the hood. So you can see this car before we wrap it up in its glory. What a great looking car. Fun to drive. Really, really nice. I mean, everything was done nicely in the interior. Everything is really nice. You don't find them done up this nice very often. So make sure you come on down. Call 847-848-1850. Visit MGMClassicCars.com. We're in Addison, Illinois. Our business hours are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. All by appointment only. We have around 250 cars in stock, so you're not going to want to miss a thing. We get new cars in almost every day. We have shipping all over the United States, open and enclosed, bonded and insured, and great financing with great monthly payments for these classic cars. Come on down to MGM Classic Cars. Treat yourself to your dream car. We got something for everyone. And if we don't have something for you yet, we will eventually, because we get new cars in almost every day. I hope everyone's enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys here at MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, because this car looks great here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage. Have a great day, everyone. It's been a pleasure. Bye-bye.